Imagine effortlessly transforming your social media presence, engaging your audience, and growing your brand, all while saving precious time. With SocialBee, this dream becomes reality, letting you focus on what you do best, running your business. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to use SocialBee for social media. So first of all you have to do is open a web browser and type into socialbee.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So what is SocialBee? SocialBee is a social media management platform that helps users create, schedule, and manage their social media content efficiently. It offers tools for content categorization, analytics, and audience engagement, enabling businesses and individuals to enhance their online presence and streamline their marketing efforts. So first of all you have to do is just click over sign up for free, and once you do that you will find this page. So you write your email address and your password, then you get started. So we have here, this is the dashboard as you can see. Hello, stay on top of your social hive by creating and scheduling posts consistently. Getting started with SocialBee, set up your account in just a few steps. The first step, which is connect social accounts to increase your online presence. Then we have the second step, define your content categories to manage and diversify your posting strategy. Then we have schedule categories to craft the perfect posting plan. Then the last step, which is create and customize posts for each network. If we scroll down, we have your connected social accounts. View and manage your social accounts in one place. We have connect a new account, add more social accounts to increase your online performance. We have here Facebook, Instagram, Threads, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google Business Profile, TikTok, YouTube, plus key universal posting. Then we have here, if we scroll down, Service Marketplace. We have formed a partnership with Fiverr, granting you access to a diverse range of service providers within the SocialBee certified marketplace. Hire SocialBee experts. Are you in New Jersey also? Then we have your SocialBee University, and you have a locked dynamic world of digital marketing with courses and events that covers all social media strategies. So I will give you all you need to know about SocialBee. So SocialBee is a powerful tool for managing your social media presence effectively first. So I will provide you how you can get started. So the first things, as I did, you have to sign up for an account and connect your social media profiles. Then you create content categories based on your marketing goals, such as promotions, industry news, and engagement posts. You can schedule posts in advance, allowing for consistent sharing without daily effort. Use the content calendar to visualize your posting schedule and adjust as needed. Additionally, take advantage of SocialBee's recycling features, which helps you repurpose evergreen content, maximizing its reach over time. Finally, monitor engagement analytics to refine your strategy and optimize future posts. With SocialBee, you can streamline your social media efforts and enhance your online visibility effortlessly. So then we have content here. So about content, we have your categories. Firstly, we have your content categories. Content is king, and you will feel the same once you start adding it to your categories. You click over create category. On the right, you choose your strap category, default settings, UL settings also. Then you click over category name, description here also, and you click over create category. Then we have here also curated at the third party content you find, or as you can see, you can just add post to this category. For example, here, as you can see, select social accounts, choose one or more social accounts for your post. Next, then you have create your post. Then you click over add a post variation. Then you have here customers for each profile selected. Then we have here post now, and then we have post at specific time. Then we have here select category and your queue after posting. Then we have expire post, and you have your save post, and done. Then you click over proceed, and it's a great job. As you can see, learn how to create your first post with SocialBee. Grow your hive by creating and posting content consistently. as you can see. Then we have here hashtag collection. About this one, we have add, edit, or delete your hashtag collections. From here, you'll be able to quickly add them to your posts. So you click over add hashtag collection, you write your collection name, your hashtag list, then you click over create. Then we have your import CSV. It only takes a few clicks to import a bulk of posts to your account with a CSV import. You have here how should you prepare your spreadsheet. Download a sample spreadsheet, and we have here view the fakes if you have questions, and then we have here choose file category also, for example our blogs and videos. Then you have add post to the top and how it looks. Then we have here imports links. Turn 1,000 links into 1,000 posts by quickly importing them to your account. Then you have your category, pen text, add to the top here, and you click over import here, for example, and that's it for import links. Then we have import media here. Save time by importing your media in bulk. It works with images and videos. Then we have your RSS. Add, edit, and remove your RSS feeds below. Keep in mind that they refresh every hour. Then you click over add. You get started. So that's it for the content. Let's move on to the social media capability. First, answer the questions below to generate a strategy for your schedule that is relevant and on trend for your profiles. Find out more on how to use social media capability here. And then you have schedule setup. So this is the important step. This is how your categories are scheduled. Look good. If not, just change it. Have here Monday. You can just click over add post. You select the category, for example engaging posts. You select how many days. I will select 5. Then I will select the time here. Then I will create. As you can see. So this is how it works. Then we have also next posts. Take a look at your upcoming 100. Then you have analytics here. You can just here you have page analytics, SocialBee, engage. Then we have questions and feedback. So this is how it works. You can just get started by following these steps. You will succeed with SocialBee.com. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.